Yo, what is up YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make these super generic sweat shorts that I see a lot of brands making nowadays, just copy and paste, copy and paste. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make these shorts using my new smart color changing mockup pack, which you guys can go download on my website, linked in the description. But this pack makes it super simple and easy to design, even if you've never designed before. And it works for pretty much any software. So if you're using Photoshop, Procreate, Canva, Adobe Illustrator, it should work. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make these shorts using Procreate. So that being said, let's get into it. All right, so once we open up Procreate, this is what we should see. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is gonna go to the top right plus icon, and we're gonna create a new canvas by pressing the black rectangle at the top right. And we're gonna make our width 3000 and our height 3000, and then we're gonna make sure our DPI is set to 300. This will make sure that our design doesn't come out pixelated. All right, once we press the check, it should bring us to our canvas. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is transfer over our mockup from the Smart Color Changing Mockup Pack, which you guys can go download on my website, linked in the description. But the pack comes with any mockup that you would ever need, front and back. But in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sweat shorts. Since our design is mostly going to be on the side of the pants, we're going to be using the side angle mockup for the shorts. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna transfer it over to the canvas. So I just added our mockup to the canvas, and I'm just gonna make sure it's centered. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add our fabric texture layer. So to do this, I'm gonna go to our layers. I'm gonna add a new layer. I'm gonna make sure our brush color is set to black. And now I'm gonna go to our fabric texture brush pack, which comes with the Smart Color Changing Mockup Pack. I'm gonna choose fabric texture 1. Now I'm just gonna color the whole pants using the brush. There we go. Next thing we're gonna do is go back to our layers. We're gonna click on our fabric texture layer, and then we're going to choose clipping mask. This will allow it not to bleed onto the canvas, and it just goes on our pants. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is add a wash texture. So to do that, I'm gonna go back to our layers. I'm gonna add a new layer. I'm gonna click on the layer, make sure it's added as a clipping mask. I'm gonna go to the default Procreate brushes on organic, and I'm gonna choose the cotton brush. Now I'm gonna make sure our brush color is set to white, and I'm just gonna randomly click all over the pants. Now I'm gonna go back to the layers. I'm going to click the small N. This will bring up our blending options, and I'm gonna scroll down to overlay. And then I'm gonna turn down the opacity just a little bit, probably around like 50, 40%, 46% looks good. And now we have our wash texture, and now we have our wash texture layer. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is add a shadow layer. That way our design looks very realistic. So to do this, I'm gonna go to our mockup layer. I'm gonna slide it to the left, press duplicate. I'm gonna select the bottom one, and then I'm gonna move this layer to the top. Now I'm gonna go to the blending options by pressing the small N, and I'm gonna scroll all the way to the top and go to multiply. And then from there, I'm gonna turn down the opacity to around like 64%, it looks good. Now we can go ahead and add the colors and our design. So the first thing we're gonna add is our color. So to add our color, we're going to add a color layer above our texture, above our fabric texture layer. So we're gonna click on our fabric texture layer, press the plus, add a new layer, and I want these shorts to be like a purplish bluish color. So I'm gonna drag out my color so it covers the entirety of the pants. So now we want the color to blend into our pants better. So we're gonna press the small N to go to our blending options, and we're gonna scroll all the way to overlay. Now it blends in a lot better, as you guys can see, but I still think the color is a little too strong, a little too dark. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna click on our color layer with 2 fingers, and I'm gonna turn down the opacity to like around, I wanna say like 60%, 61% looks good. So there we go. Now we have our color sweat shorts, and now we're ready to add our design. So to add our design, which is gonna be a simple text graphic, what we're gonna do, we're going to want to add the design above the color layer. So we're gonna make sure the color layer is selected. Then we're gonna go to the wrench at the top left, and then we're gonna choose add text. Now I'm gonna make the text say melt, because that's what the channel is called, and I want the text to be vertical. So I'm gonna move the spacing bar all the way. That way the text comes out vertical like so, and I'm gonna just center it on our pants. Now I'm gonna make the text white, and then I'm actually gonna change the font by choosing edit text by clicking on the text layer and going to edit style. I'm gonna be using this font called Atlanta College, and I'm actually going to make the text all uppercase letters, and then I'm gonna fix the spacing a little bit. I want the text to be a little bit closer to each other. So I'm just gonna mess with this bar called leading. Now I'm just gonna resize this, make it how I want. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit horizontally. That way it's bigger. And there we go. Now we have our text graphic. Now the next thing I want to do is add some yellow coloring around the borders of each letter. So to do that, first I need to rasterize our text graphic by clicking on our layer and choosing rasterize. Now our text graphic is a rasterized image. Now I'm gonna go to a yellow color. I'm gonna choose a yellow color. And now I'm just gonna drag and drop the yellow color on the border. That way it just fills in the color. And there we go. Now we have a yellow border around our letters. Now the next thing I want to do is add some distressing to the text graphic. So to do this, I'm gonna be using my graphic distressing pack, which you guys can also go download on my website, linked in the description. But this pack basically comes with a bunch of different types of distressing, so you can give your graphics cracked and vintage effects. I'm gonna make sure I'm on the eraser tool, and I'm gonna use thin scratches for the distressing. So now I'm just gonna go in and just randomly erase on our graphic. And I want a little bit bigger distressing, so I'm gonna use the thick scratches. And there we go. I think I like that. Now to make it blended a little bit better, I'm gonna go to the blending options on our text graphic, and I'm gonna go to lighten, which will make the distressing come out a little bit better and blend in a lot better. This is pretty much it for the design. Now to make these shorts a little bit less generic, what we're gonna do is add some pearls around the pocket. And to do this, we're gonna be using my accessory brush pack, which you guys can also go download on my website, linked in the description. But I'm going to make sure our color is set to like a yellowish, whitish color. I'm gonna go to the accessory brush pack, and it basically comes with all the type of accessories you might need for your designs, like rhinestones, gemstones, pearls, buttons, basically anything you would need. But we're gonna be using the pearl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the pocket. Oops, I almost forgot. I need to add a new layer. So I'm gonna add a new layer above everything. And now I'm just gonna line the pearls around the pocket. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate it, the bottom layer fully black, by going to hue, saturation, and brightness on the magic wand. And then I'm gonna position it a little bit. And this will act as the shadow layer for the pearls. And then for the shadow layer, I'm gonna go back to the magic wand, and I'm gonna go to Gaussian blur. I'm gonna turn it up to like 3%, and then now I can merge down the two layers, and then I can put it under our shadow layer. And there we go. Now we have pearls lining the pocket. And that's pretty much the whole design. It was pretty fast and simple to make. You really don't need to know much about designing. Now, if you want to make the front part of these shorts, all you have to do is follow the same exact steps, just using the front mock-up instead of the side angle view, and it will be the exact same. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know in the comments what other designs you guys want to learn how to make. All the packs that I used in this video, you guys can go download on my website, linked in the description. I also opened up a Discord. So if you guys have any questions about running a brand, owning a brand, or how to design, just join up on my Discord, which will also be linked in the description. But I hope this video helped you guys out, and peace.